In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smart bone dial in Moho for a clean head turn. A smart bone dial lets you drive a custom deformation by rotating a single controller bone. It's perfect for things like head turns, eye blinks, or mouth shapes because it keeps your main animation clean while hiding all the complexity inside an action. Start inside the bone layer that controls your artwork and add a new bone. This is going to be your dial. Place it somewhere convenient in your rig, like off to the side so it's easy to grab. Think of this bone as a controller, not a deforming limb. It exists to trigger the action you're about to build. With that bone selected, go up to the bone menu and choose Make Smart Bone Dial. Moho will prompt you to name the action that the dial will drive. Give it a clear, descriptive name, such as head turn. Good naming will save you time later, especially if you plan to build multiple dials for different parts of your character. When you confirm, Moho opens the action timeline for that new smart bone action. This is a special workspace where you define what happens as the dial rotates. Rotate the dial bone to a target angle for the first pose. Many artists use a positive rotation for a right turn and later a negative rotation for a left turn. Now adjust your points and artwork to match the look you want at that angle. You can move vector points, tweak curves, or nudge layer transforms, whatever gives you the cleanest shape. The key idea is that you are sculpting the result that will play back when the dial reaches this rotation. If you need the opposite direction, rotate the dial the other way and create the corresponding pose, shaping the art again so the transition feels smooth. Keep your neutral pose at the dial's default angle, usually 0, so it's easy to return to a clean baseline. When you're finished shaping, switch back to the main timeline. Now test the setup by rotating your smart bone dial. As you turn it, you should see your custom action play automatically, smoothly driving the head turn you built in the action timeline. Scrub through a few angles to check for pops or distortions and make small adjustments by reopening the action if needed. That's it. You've created a smart bone dial that keeps your rig tidy and your animation workflow fast, all controlled by a single intuitive rotation.